So, got some bad news to tell y'all today. The Camaro was on a leave for the time being. It had a run-in with a deer, going pretty fast.
Fast enough it's totaled.
Not to get y'all's hopes up, but it's probably totaled. It probably won't come back. So we've been looking for a new project to put on the channel. We kind of wanted to keep it 4-cylinder because that's kind of what made us. Also, I wasn't in the car when it got wrecked, or else there would be a video of the wrecked car. Yeah. But I wasn't there. It was actually on New Year's Eve, and no, there was not alcohol involved. I don't do that. I've learned my lesson, and I have a CDL, so that would be horrible. We wanted to keep it 4-cylinder. We wanted to try to keep it boosted, but that's a maybe for now. But what we're going to start working on for the channel is actually right here. A Cavalier.
This is just a normal Cavalier. I can't even find the hood black. It's been so long since I've opened this thing.
Driver's side.
There it is.
Doesn't look like much, but it will be.
Yeah, we worked on it a little bit before. This has been sitting here for a little while, but we're gonna get back on messing with it now. I'm gonna actually finish it.
We're gonna finish it, get it going, and I don't know if you can tell by the video, but there's a little something extra going on down there.
Yeah, we're gonna probably end up boosting it.
Very soon.
We've already mounted the intercooler and everything.
And once we get into the build videos, we'll take everything back apart and show you how everything's done. And the intercooler is fabricated into the bumper, so it's solid. Like, it's not going anywhere. Everything's right now is solid. We're gonna have to relocate a few things.
We're gonna get a header, turbo header, and what I want to do, what I believe we're gonna end up doing, is we're gonna run the exhaust out of the hood.
Yeah. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come off the turbo, and it's gonna go down, circle back around, and then through the hood, because we have a lot of stupid friends
that want to see stuff blow out of an exhaust on a hood, I'm sure.
And we don't want to have them dropping rocks inside the turbo, and I mean, not, you know, harmfully doing it, but somebody would end up doing it and mess up the turbo and not even realize they did that.
Yeah, Lucas, look, I put a candy wrapper in there.
We're gonna have the exhaust coming out the hood. It's probably gonna come out on 6 to 8 psi. It is completely stock motor. It's completely stock transmission, stock axles,
stock automatic car.
It will be probably come out about 6 to 8 psi, and then we're going to move it up to 14, 15, maybe 20 once we put a built tranny and some good axles in it.
We're probably gonna buy another motor and another transmission, build those, just run around on this one until those are done, and then put those in here and turn it up.
Honestly, once we have those other two, the motor and transmission done, we take this motor out, this is probably going to go in a cart.
Yeah, we'll get like a little go-kart thing or frame or something, put this motor on it and play around like that.
Yeah.
If this motor survives.
Yeah, if it does. We'll probably even put the same turbo that's on here on the cart too.
Yeah, because I want to definitely upgrade the turbo eventually.
Once we go to a built motor, we're going to go to like a T4 style turbo, maybe like a 60 millimeter, 67 millimeter, somewhere in there. This
car should be pretty fun. We've already had it on a scale in this car with nobody in it. It was what, 2450 with nobody in it?
Something. It was 2,600 pounds with a big system.
With me in this car, it's 2,500 pounds even.
Yeah. So it ought to be a pretty quick little car.
Yeah.
Traction will always be an issue.
Yeah, it's going to spin bad.
But that makes it fun.
But I guess we're going to start doing videos on this, building on this, and then bring it out and see what it can do.
Yeah. But
don't hit a deer.
I guess to head y'all out,
so get ready to see more of this.
Watch out for deer.
Yeah, and don't hit a deer.
Nothing to do with drinking and driving. You know, most of y'all probably assume that, but don't drink and drive regardless.
We don't do that around here.
That wasn't involved in this. And go ahead and pay the respects to the Camaro in the comments.
Yeah, we're gonna wait and let y'all know what insurance says back on everything.
More than likely it's totaled though.
Yeah. I'm ready to see what this thing's gonna do though. We're
Yeah.
gonna jump on this as soon as we can.
This honestly should be faster than the Camaro was.
This weighs 700 pounds less.
And it's going to be about the same horsepower.
It's got less gears, but it weighs a lot less, so it's gonna help it a lot.
But we'll see y'all in the next video.